In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the full folder location of emails in Outlook. If you've ever filed a message and then wondered exactly where it lives, the Outlook desktop app gives you a couple of reliable ways to see the full folder path. I'll walk you through both, explain what you'll see, and share a few quick tips so you can get the answer fast. First, let's use the File menu. Start by opening the email in its own window. That means double-clicking the message so it pops out from the main Outlook view. This is important because the option you need appears only when the message is open in a separate window. With the message open, click the File tab in the upper left. You'll land on the info screen for that specific email. Look for the option labeled Move to Folder. Right next to it, Outlook displays the current folder path for the message. You'll see something like a chain of folders, showing exactly where the email sits. If you don't immediately see the path, make sure you're on the File tab of the message window and not the main Outlook window. Once you have the path, you can jot it down or simply remember the sequence to navigate to it later. This method is quick and great when you already have the message open. Now let's look at the Advanced Find method, which works whether the message is open or just selected in your message list. Click once to highlight the email, or open it if you prefer. Then press Ctrl+Shift+F on your keyboard. That opens the Advanced Find dialog, a powerful search tool built into Outlook. You don't need to run a search here. Instead, click the Browse button. A window appears showing your full folder hierarchy. The checkbox indicates the exact folder that contains the email. You can expand the arrows to trace the full path from the top of the mailbox down to the specific subfolder. This view is especially helpful if you manage multiple accounts or data files, because you'll see each top-level mailbox listed, making it easy to confirm which one the email belongs to. When you're done, you can close the windows without changing anything. Use the File menu method for the fastest peek at the path while an email is open, and use Advanced Find when you want a clear, expandable map of your folder structure. Either way, you'll always know exactly where your message is stored. Thanks for watching.